You see, the primitive man is more advanced than so-called the modern man. The modern man, which the white man would have you to believe that the modern technological man is more advanced than the primitive man. See, when you got certain push buttons and certain things that you use to get around using the archetypes of your mind, it shuts down mental thought. Whereas if you use nature, your mind, you see what I'm saying? So there's a whole saying that the mystery system would say, full room, empty mind. Full mind, empty room. That means you don't need the physical things around you as much if you got it in the mind. Now, there's another section in the mystery system we need to talk about is the intellectual aspect, which the 7 liberal arts, where you just didn't learn one art, you learned everything. So you just didn't go to college and learn, I just learned computer programming while I was there. No, you learned everything because you had 40 years to do it. So you learned everything. But even all the intellectual advancement that most of the Afrocentric scholars is talking about is still the low level. Because after you learn the intellectual thing, and the intellect is the lowest level of the actual mystery system, then you went into what is called the spiritual aspect, or you learn them both together. So it was both the physical, you have the intellect, and the spiritual, you have the right brain. So the intellect is left brain. The spiritual is right brain. So now when the brothers say the sisters are not as smart, no, it's just that you are using the mathematical equations and the sister is using the spiritual equations. And the spiritual is more higher. So therefore you have to start breaking down this left brain and going into the right brain. You call it female intuition. No, it's the female spiritual ability that you're supposed to have, but you're not using left brain. It is not logic. Now, the white boy always uses logic, and he uses the 7 liberal arts, but he don't understand that there's another spiritual side, but he can only get that part. Now, the worst thing we ever made was the thinking when the white boy got a jump on us. The white boy was saying that I'm just as smart as you are. And so the reason why we couldn't monitor that is because the white boy proved that intellectually we were almost the same, even though we are smarter than him. It takes him a longer time to get to that stage, whereas us, you see, we can do this thing like that. But it's just that they systematically in the school shut us down. You know that conspiracy to destroy black boys because Joanza can Jupa. You see what I'm saying? But even in intellect, where the white boy is talking about his intellect and all this stuff he can do in intellect, he's building these buildings and all this technology. Intellect is the lowest part. Tell the white boy, if you're superior, then show me how spiritual you are. Not intellectual. Intellect is low. You can teach a monkey how to do shit. When you talk about is he spiritual? He can't be. He killed all the animals off the earth. He killed the water. He killed the air. He killed all the people off the earth. He killed the earth, and now he's trying to kill space. That's nothing spiritual at all, because he's not one with nature. He's destructive. So that's no contest on where he's spiritual. Now, he don't have that spirituality. That's why you got to keep looking on the Bible, looking on the book, and quoting scriptures. But can you live like the goddamn twat? Excuse the expression.
In other words, you are saying now, then, that our spiritual development reflects our ability to be one with nature and coexist.
That's right.